Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching today's Bibbidi unboxing. I am so pumped. Like, you have no idea how long I've been waiting to do this. I have watched so many Bibbidi box unboxings in my life. I couldn't even tell you how many I've watched over like the past 3 years. I feel like they've started. Yeah, they used to be Bibbidi Boppity Boxes. That was their company name. Now they just go by Bibbidi. They have their own clothing line now. They work with so many small shops. They still do Disney park pickups. So I am so pumped to show you what is in my September box. If you don't know what a Bibbidi box is, it is a box that is curated just for you. So each month you have a selection of, I think there's 4 different box prices that you can pick from. This is the ultimate magic box. They even have Harry Potter now. They have a sparkle box, which is like cute little stickers. I might get that for November because that's my birthday month. But they have so many different price ranges and then tons of different items that you could possibly get in your box. You have a preference sheet, which you just write down everything that you love, that you don't love. So I'm not a huge Star Wars fan, so I made sure to note that, like, no Star Wars things, please. Unless it's Baby Yoda, but no Star Wars. And then if you have like certain Loungefly backpacks that you already have, so you're not gonna get another one. And then they have the wish list. So at the beginning of every month, you'll get an email and you'll go onto that wish list and heart different things that you would like to see in your box that month. So you somewhat have an idea of what could be in your box. However, I have no idea what actually is in my box. And honestly, I don't even remember what I chose on my wish list because I did that at the beginning of September. My box was a little delayed, so you have to order before the 15th of the month in order to get that current month's box. And they emailed, their customer service is great. They emailed the people who the late shipping was being affected because they were waiting for an item from a small shop. And if y'all know how crazy shipping is right now, and for companies to be able to just get product, it's absolutely insane. So we're just gonna jump right in. I am so excited, and their boxes are so stinking cute. Like, look at that, the little haunted mansion, guys. Is that haunted? No, that's Hollywood Tower of Terror, dummy. And then the little Mickey ghost. Love, 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 love. So at the top of every box, you're going to have a little card and your packing slip. So this packing slip is going to tell you everything that's in your box and the price of per item, because you're always going to get more than what you actually spent. So then the little card just says, "Boo to you, a trick or treat for you, that's boo. It's you, know who, boo to you and you and you and you. Happy Halloween." And that's the song that was at Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. It is my favorite. I've never actually been to Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party. I just love that song so much. Okay, so it just has a cute little sticker. I feel like there's a Loungefly backpack in here. Y'all know how much I love my Loungeflies. Okay. And there is, and I am so excited I saw it. Okay, we're just gonna go for the big item right off the bat. So I first saw this backpack on the Lefersons channel when they did their Bibbidi box unboxing. And I was like, oh my gosh. And I think that pretty much like solidified me getting Bibbidi boxes now is this Loungefly bag, because they are able to find these bags, which like it's so hard to get some Loungefly bags. And I am, oh my gosh. Oh, I love it so much. Okay, so this Loungefly is Zootopia. I am a huge Zootopia fan. Oh, look at them. Look how cute that is. And they're embroidered on the front right there. Ooh, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is so stinking cute. And Judy Hobbs' family is on the side. Oh my gosh. I just saw the other side. Look at the little sloth. Oh. Oh. And the blue is so cute. Let's take a look on the inside. So this is the second Loungefly bag that I have that has like the bigger front pocket. And I love that bigger front pocket. That is so nice. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out all of this hoopla. So on the inside, there's always like a fun print and it says, "It wasn't me, with Judy Hobbs and then Nick the fox. I don't know if you can see that, there you go. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this. Oh, it is so stinking cute. Just the colors are so vibrant. Love, 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 love. Yes. Okay, let's go in. And there's always like tons of this crinkle paper everywhere. Okay, let's go for the next item. Okay, so the next item is a candle. And they do a lot with small shops. So I think this is... Yes, so this candle is from Wishes Candle Co. And it is Halloween on Main Street. That is the scent. I've never actually had a Wishes Candle Co. candle before. Oh, wow. That is like... Wow. That's amazing. It's like pumpkin, but with cinnamon. I wish y'all could smell this because look how shimmery that is. And then there is like a special, I think there's something in it, yeah. So there's a silver prize, which I think is a pin at the bottom of each candle. And this candle is actually a Bibbidi box exclusive, so you can only get this candle through Bibbidi, but I will leave their shop link down below. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be purchasing more of their candles after I go and use this one. Next item that is in my box is the Boo shirt. So I did request, this was on my wish list. I thought it was so cute, and this is a part of Bibbidi's clothing line, I'm pretty sure, unless this is a collaboration with the small shop. But I just loved how like simple it was, and then it has the Mickey pumpkins. I am definitely going to be wearing this on Halloween. And then it does have that like tie-dye black and gray, which is so cute. So I have one more item in my box. Oh my goodness. I love these so much. So these are unicorn socks. Leave a comment down below if you know what movie this is from. And then also, when anything is from the parks exclusively, they'll have the little pink sticker, and it says Disney Parks and Resorts exclusive. I am obsessed with these. Wow. Okay. So those are the items I've got in my Bibbidi box this month. I got the Zootopia Loungefly Backpack and my unicorn suckies, my Halloween Boo shirt that I cannot wait to wear. It's gonna look perfect with my candy corn ears. I know this like white part of the candy corn is kind of blending in, but these are so stinking cute. Now that we've opened all of the items, I'm gonna go ahead and view my packing slip now. So my Bibbidi and Wishes Candle Co. candle, Halloween at the Magic Kingdom inspired, Halloween on Main Street. This was $20. And then my, so this is a Bibbidi exclusive tee, and that was $28. And then my Inside Out Rainbow Unicorn. So if you didn't know, this little cute unicorn is from my other favorite movie, Inside Out. Those are $14.99. And then the Disney Loungefly Zootopia mini backpack was $70. So my total value of my box was $132.99, and the ultimate magic box you pay $119. Yeah, that is correct. So you 100% get a better value, and oh my gosh, I just have all the feelings right now because, again, I have loved watching so many people's Bibbidi Boppidi boxes, and I'm like, you know what, I just need to do it. I just need to be able to give myself that every month. And I am so happy I am now a part of the Bibbidi Box Club. It's amazing. And now I'm gonna go light this candle because it smells so freaking good. Hey guys, that's gonna be it for today's video and my first ever Bibbidi Box unboxing. That's kind of hard to say. I am super excited to be on the Bibbidi Box bandwagon because I love all of the items that I got, and I love how they have items that are exclusive to them that you can't get anywhere else. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know what your favorite item is in the comments down below. Do you get Bibbidi boxes? If not, make sure you check out the Leffersons channel. They have a coupon code that you can get a free sparkle box on your first order, so make sure you guys definitely do that. I totally forgot to enter their coupon code, so I'm not getting a free sparkle box. Don't make that error. Get yourself a free sparkle box. Cool? Okay. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to the channel. I am going to do Vlogmas 100%. It's happening. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a video. Turn those bell notifications on and share this video with a friend that also needs a little Bibbidi boxes in their life. All right, have a great rest of your day, you guys. I will see you real soon. Bye.